Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. Corsair continues to solidify its reputation in the gaming peripheral market, with the launch of the Void Wireless V2, a mid-range wireless headset that strikes a rare balance between design, durability, comfort, audio fidelity, and extraordinary battery life, all offered at a competitive price of approximately $118. Unboxing the Void Wireless V2, users are greeted with a thoughtfully arranged package. That includes a USB-C charging cable, a 2.4 GHz USB receiver for fast and stable wireless connectivity, and a simple user manual outlining charging procedures. Connectivity tips, Corsair's IQ software setup, and basic safety notes. While the headset itself is predominantly white, Corsair makes a bold aesthetic choice by crafting the USB receiver in black, creating a contrasting highlight that breaks monotony and adds a stylish touch. Nestled securely within scratch-resistant protective wrapping, the Void Wireless V2 immediately conveys a sense of sturdiness and refinement. The matte white finish resists fingerprints. The high-quality plastic construction feels solid in hand, and the headband proudly displays the Corsair name embossed across the top. The design language is unmistakably in line with the Void family, featuring large D-shaped ear cups and a familiar, futuristic silhouette that speaks to gamers, while retaining a modern, understated elegance suitable for everyday use. Comfort has clearly been prioritized in the Void Wireless V2's design. The soft fabric padded headband distributes weight evenly, while the large, breathable mesh ear cushions fully envelop the ears, reducing pressure during long sessions and limiting heat buildup. This makes the headset exceptionally well suited for marathon gaming sessions or extended remote work, offering lightweight wearability without sacrificing a snug fit. The adjustable joints are reinforced with metal components, ensuring durability. Although the headset's ear cups only rotate 90 degrees and cannot fold completely flat, a minor trade-off that matters little for a product primarily intended for desktop use rather than travel. Functionality is seamlessly integrated into the headset's structure. All controls are located conveniently on the left ear cup, including the power button that doubles as a mode switch, a play-pause button for media control, a volume rocker, and the USB-C charging port. The flip-to-mute omnidirectional microphone offers effortless usability. When pulled down it activates, and when pushed up it mutes instantly, a practical feature during heated gaming sessions where rapid communication control is essential. In terms of performance, the Void Wireless V2 leverages premium 50mm neodymium drivers to deliver powerful, detailed, and versatile sound reproduction. Combined with the customization options available through Corsair's IQ software, users can switch between various audio profiles tailored for different scenarios, such as immersive gaming, music listening, or cinematic viewing. In testing across multiple genres, the headset consistently impressed with its balanced output. When listening to Adele's Hello, the mid-range shone with warmth and richness, capturing her husky emotional depth without muddying detail. Shifting to the upbeat J-pop track Pretender by official Hige Dandism, the treble sparkled brightly, while electronic instruments were rendered with clarity and separation, free from distortion. Indie electronic tracks such as Fape Mao by Mounter X Maydays showcased tight, punchy bass that added energy without overwhelming the mids or highs, proving that the Void Wireless V2 is more than capable of handling a wide variety of musical textures. As a gaming headset, its true potential emerges in titles like PUBG, where positional accuracy is critical. The soundstage effectively conveys spatial cues, making it easy to detect footsteps, gunfire, and directional threats with precision. This situational awareness translates into a tangible competitive edge during intense firefights. Underlining the headset's gaming pedigree, the microphone complements this with clear, natural voice pickup that filters ambient noise, ensuring smooth team communication during high-stakes matches or clear calls during work meetings. Yet perhaps the most remarkable feature of the Void Wireless V2 lies in its staggering battery life, with up to 130 hours of playback on a single charge. It stands out as one of the longest-lasting wireless headsets in its price range. This endurance means users can comfortably go through multiple days of heavy use without needing to reach for the charger, even when recharging is necessary. The USB-C connection ensures a fast and efficient power-up process. Altogether, the Corsair Void Wireless V2 is an impressive entry in the mid-range wireless gaming headset category. By blending a signature design, comfortable ergonomics, clear and detailed sound, versatile software integration, a practical microphone system, and industry-leading battery life, Corsair has crafted a product that delivers exceptional value at just $118. It manages to stand out in a competitive field not by gimmicks, but by perfecting the essentials and extending them with truly game-changing endurance, making it a compelling option for gamers, music enthusiasts, and professionals alike who seek an all-rounder headset that doesn't compromise where it matters most.